Hello friends, welcome to our English short and easy learning class. In today's class, shall try to learn a new chapter, the shun hook. The termination of the sound shun as zun can be spelled as tion, sion, cian, tian, sian, etc. And this sound can be represented by a large hook, as in the words no shun. Here we have a large hook. So this hook, we say it gives the sound of shun. So notion, caution. And when circle is added to this sound, it makes the words as notions, ka, k, shanmuk and the circle s, which gives word cautions. And in case of curves, the same shanmuk can be written as the same, which follows the same rule. That is, it can be added inside the curves. As we have read in circle is the large circle and the loops, here also the same shanmuk can follow the rule as which can be written inside the curves, as in the words fashion, nation. And when circle is again added to such words, which gives fashions and nations. And for the straight stroke with an initial attachment like circle, loop or hook, the shanmuk is written on the opposite side to the initial attachment. So whenever we have an initial attachment of circle, loop or hook, then in such cases the shanmuk is written on the opposite of this initial attachment in order to preserve the straightness of the stroke. So the same concept we'll see in the following words. Citation. So the circle is I and T, and here the circle is and the opposite side is written the hook. So citation. So whenever there is initial attachment, the shanmuk is written on the opposite side. Sections. So circle is and opposite side is the hook. So sections. Again here we have per. So the opposite side of this is the shanmuk. So oppression. So this, in this way we can write the shanmuk. And also the shanmuk is written with the right motion after the downward form of F and K are gay, and left motion after the form of L, the upward stroke following K are gay. Just to have the straightness of K are gay, and this we can see in the words. So affection. So F followed by K, and the curve shanmuk is written on the right motion. So affection. Again F the downward curve, K and shanmuk. So here also we are following the rightward direction or the right motion. Here the next word is selection. So it's upward L followed by K. So we are writing it towards the left motion, selection. And when circle is added to the same, it becomes selections. And this, if there is no initial attachment. So this rule was followed when for F and K. And next comes if there is no initial attachment. For the straight strokes, shun is written on the side opposite to the last oval in order to indicate where the oval occurs. Here one more condition, when there is no initial attachment, then in such cases the Shanmukh is written on the side opposite to the last oval. This we can study with the words. So passion, here we have a stroke P and followed by a oval. So the oval is on the right side, hence we are writing the hook on the other side, the opposite side. Option, so here is the oval and the Shanmukh is here, option. Again action, oval and the opposite side is the hook. So cautions, vacation. So this rule is followed when there is no initial attachment for the straight strokes. And further, for the strokes T, D, J and J, the Shanmukh is written always on the right side because it is known that the last oval always occurs after these letters. And also the writing of the hook on the right hand side of these letters carries the hand forward in readiness for writing the next word. So in that way we can increase the speed also. So for the strokes T, D and J, J, the Shanmukh is written on the right side. We are not following any rules for the last oval, but we are writing it is always on the right side of these strokes, just to increase the speed. So here rotation, so where we have a straight stroke of T and a hook, so rotation, so the hook is on the right side and immediately you can start writing the next word also. Next partition, again the Shanmukh after T. Then gradation, the D and the Shanmukh on the right motion, on the right side. Or logicians, petition and dictation. So you can see in all these cases, that is T, D and J, the hook is written on the right side or the right motion. So hope you understood, and still more points we can see in our next class. So this is the first part of Shanmukh, and hope you understood this. Keep practicing and kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching.